Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. Also hit that bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. So in today's video, I'm doing a review of this Ecbasket Polygel kit. Here I'm showing you the brush that it comes with, the brush and the spatula on the other end. That's the clear Polygel. It comes with 4 different colors. So that was clear. And this one's bright white. And then we have dark pink and the natural pink. And it also comes with the base and top coat and the dual forms, which I don't use. I've tried to use those one time and I did not like them, and I never tried it again. So maybe I'll try that again in the future, but for right now I just don't want to use them. But anyway, so here you'll see me, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these polygels. That's my little container with some alcohol. I just used 90%, I believe it was 90% alcohol. And I'm just showing you how much is in each tube. It's just a little bit over a ½ ounce in each tube. So I'm gonna squeeze it out. Some of the tubes were kind of hard to squeeze, honestly. But I don't know if that's just happens with all of them, I don't know, but it was really easy to move around. Seemed pretty pliable, I guess you would say. I don't know, I liked it. It did seem though, once the alcohol kind of dried up, it got kind of sticky. I've used one other polygel and I don't remember it doing that, so I don't know if it's just this one, but it did get a little sticky, so you have to keep your brush wet with the alcohol. But I mean, they look nice. This color, this white, I don't know if I would call this bright white, but it seems more like a, I don't know, milky white color. But it's not bad. It still looks pretty good. Like I said, it was easy to form, easy to move around. So I liked it. So that's the bright white. So now I'm going to go in with the natural pink. And they all had a little foil cover. You can see them there on my table. But I just peeled them off ahead of time. So this one I'm using. And like I said, they're all about the same. So you can see they're pretty easy to maneuver and move around. I just did them, you know, a thin layer because I just, you know, I'm just testing it out. So I just kind of wanted to see, you know, what it did and how it moves around and how easy it was to use. So I just did a thin layer. Now I'm going with the dark pink. Which I actually think is my favorite of all 4. I think the dark pink is my favorite one. Yeah, see, as long as you have, you know, enough alcohol on the brush, they move around real easy. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the clear. The clear is kind of hard to see on these nails because the nails are clear as well. This was, I think, the clearest polygel that I've seen. I've seen some people say that, you know, the clear doesn't really look clear. It's more like a natural. But this one looks pretty clear. Although it did get a little cloudy after I cured them. But for the most part, it's pretty clear. I would call this a clear. But as you can see, it's kind of hard to see on this clear nail tip. See, I was showing you under my, trying to get it to show up under my finger, but it's still so clear. It was just really hard to see. So now I'm gonna actually go ahead and cure them. I cured them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And here they are after they're cured. I'm just gonna wipe them down with the alcohol wipe. See what they really look like. See how clear that one is, but you can see it's a little cloudy. So I just went in and wrote the colors next to each nail tip, and I'm gonna use their top coat that came with the kit and top coat all of the nails. And y'all, this top coat, I don't know what is wrong with it, but it had a funky smell. Like, I've never smelled a top coat or gel polish that smelled like that. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that again, but I don't know what that smell was, but it did not smell good. It did not smell like a nail polish or gel polish smell. I don't know what it was, but anyway. So you can see here I'm going in with the top coat, and then I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And here we have them after they're all cured. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.